नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। मैं हूं विजय मल्होत्रा, आपका दोस्त, और आज मैं आ गया हूं राइड एशिया 2024 5th एडिशन प्रगति मैदान में। और इस वक्त यहां पे बहुत सारे साइकिलिंग के स्टॉल्स हैं, एग्जीबिशन है। देयर आर अबाउट 120 stalls which we are going to explore in this video, and we're going to give you an update about the latest technology, the new products and the new bicycles that are being launched in the market by various brands. So stay tuned and watch the full video. And एक महत्वपूर्ण सूचना, अगर आपने इस वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड हिट द बेल आइकॉन। Hi, so we have with us Anushka ji. She's the product head from Lucifer Bikes. Anushka ji, can you tell us a little bit about the brand and the startup?
Yeah, sure. Hi everyone, this side Anushka. I'm the product manager of the company. So basically my vision is to clear that we are providing an affordable price range in the India, and our agenda is to complete quality range. Like इसमें हम complete quality range में दे रहे हैं माल को, and इसमें आपका देखिए सस्पेंशन फोक इम्पोर्टेड रहेगा, इंडियन स्टील मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रहता है इसमें। आइए मैं आपको आगे दिखाती हूँ। ये हमारा बाइसाइकिल है, इलेक्ट्रिक साइकिल, जिसमें हमने अलॉय साइकिल में बनाया है ये, और ये इन हाउस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है, इंटीग्रेटेड बैटरी फ्रेम के साथ में रहता है ये। एंड वी हैव लॉन्च रिसेंटली a latest premium model. एक सेकंड, the name is Black Dog. This is our latest premium model launch. We have launched here. एंड इसमें हमने 1 piece क्रैंकसेट लगाया है, एंड शिमानो को गियर सेट लगाया है, जिसमें हब भी रहता है, कैसेट भी रहता है। Sure. हमारा एजेंडा बेसिकली यही है कि हम इंडिया में कैसे मेड इन इंडिया को प्रमोट किया जाए, बाइसाइकिल इंडस्ट्री को हम कैसे ग्रो कर सकते हैं हाई टू हाई एंड पे। एक अफोर्डेबल रेंज ऑफ बाइसाइकिल को देना अच्छी क्वालिटी में, जो हमारा इन हाउस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो रहा है, ये हमारा एजेंडा था इंडिया में। एब्सोल्युटली।
और अनुष्का जी, प्राइसिंग की बात करें तो क्या प्राइस पॉइंट्स की बाइक्स है?
सर प्राइस पॉइंट की बात करें तो हमारा जो प्राइस शुरू होता है वो 11,000 से शुरू होता है, एंड ये अप्रोक्स 40,000 तक भी जाता है। डिपेंड्स करता है कि आप क्वालिटी कौन सी लगा रहे हो, कंपोनेंट्स कौन से लगा रहे हो इसमें।
ओके। सो आपने देखा कि लूसीफायर बाइक्स एक ग्रोइंग ब्रांड है फ्रॉम लुधियाना, और इनके बहुत सारे मॉडल्स आज यहाँ पे लॉन्च हुए। सो आप भी विजिट करिए lucifer.com वेबसाइट पे और इनके प्रोडक्ट्स ब्राउज कीजिए।
थैंक यू एवरीवन।
हम अब पहुंच गए हैं स्पीडवेज टायर लिमिटेड के एग्जीबिशन स्टॉल पे, और देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे काफी सारे टायर्स हैं, MTB के टायर्स हैं, और आगे हमारे यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि फैट टायर के बाइक्स के टायर्स भी हैं, और काफी सारे रेगुलर रोडस्टर बाइक्स और हाइब्रिड बाइक्स के टायर्स भी हैं यहाँ पर। So now we are at the booth of Ralston Tires, and we have with us Mr. Yogesh, and he is the marketing and PR communication head. Sir, हमें Ralston Tires की टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में कुछ बताइए।
Actually, जैसा आप जानते हैं कि Ralston is a 50 years old tire company. We started making tires way back in 1974, and today Ralston is ranked among one of the 5 top bicycle manufacturers in the world. Our daily production of bicycle tires comes to around 1,25,000 pieces that we manufacture and dispatch. So with times we have evolved, and we have improved our technology also. We are today making high technology bicycle tires which have very high puncture resistance, tires which are tubeless, bicycle tires which are foldable. So all sorts of and then there are low rolling resistance bicycle tires also. These are our high technology bicycle tire products which we classify as our premium tires, and they give a run for money to all the international bicycle tire brands like Kenda or Michelin or uh, Maxis, etc. Whereas the imported bicycle tires, they are a imposition on Indian roads and Indian climatic conditions. They may or may not perform as well. We, as a Indian tire manufacturer, have 50 years experience of all sorts of Indian roads, because our tires are used in all nook and corners of the country. So we have a lot of experience of what kind of compounds succeed here. That's why our tires will always be find more durable than international brands, because they have been honed for Indian road conditions. They have been honed for the riding needs of Indian riders, and they have also been honed for the Indian weather conditions. So, moving with the times, the company has always upgraded their technology, and today we are market leaders not only in India. We are also exporting our bicycle tires to more than 70 countries across the globe, including US and Europe. So it's only because we are making high technology bicycle tires also, we are able to export so much. Thank you.
Wonderful insight, sir, and congratulations for a strong legacy and a powerful brand. एंड सभी साइकिलिस्ट से मेरी एक ही गुजारिश है कि राल्सन टायर्स आप ज़रूर ट्राई कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेकमेंड कीजिए। बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है प्रोडक्ट्स की, और जैसे सर ने कहा टेक्नोलॉजी वाइज इंडियन प्रोडक्ट है, और सपोर्ट इंडियन प्रोडक्ट्स, इंडियन ब्रांड्स, बाय इंडियन प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड दैट्स व्हाट माय मैसेज टू यू इज। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
So we are now at Verb Electric exhibition stall, and we have with us Mr. Gaur. He has designed a prototype for disabled people. This is a tricycle for specially challenged people. Sir, इस बाइक के बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए।
First of all, it's not a prototype. This is a well developed. They are already selling this.
Okay.
This is already in the market, and we have got very good orders from government, from NGOs, handicaps, and especially able people are free. Okay. They buy from us. So this is specially designed. Number one, it is because disabled people have movement restriction on movement.
True.
So this will remove all the restrictions. It has got a electronic throttle,
okay,
so that you can move. And in this bike tricycle, there is a very unique feature that suppose the battery is over, no other bike they will stop at that. In this, you have got manually you can forward and reverse.
Okay.
So here we give a lever, okay, so that manually you can forward it and reverse it.
Okay.
So this on a single charge, this will travel around 25 to 30 kilometers.
Okay.
And if you want a higher distance, okay, then we can design as per the need. Okay. So this is a design. Then you can also put a utility box for people. Some people want to put a utility box. So we can provide a utility box in the back side, and we have an armrest over there. Okay. And back cushion seat and cushion back.
Okay.
So it is very comfortable, and it is very easy to any disabled person to climb and unclimb.
Okay.
Okay. So very easy to use.
Okay.
So we are basically doing that as a service, and if you want to buy, we have our website, or you can go on website, or you can contact our office.
Okay.
They can provide you all the information.
Fantastic.
For normally this we sell for 39,000 rupees.
Okay.
For this exhibition, we are kept for 29,000 rupees.
29,000. और availability
pan
India है?
Pan India है.
Okay.
Of course, delivery charge will be extra.
Okay.
Because the factory is in Gurgaon.
Okay.
So we can make as per the order. It will take around 2 weeks. Okay. For any quantity to make for any customer.
And customization is possible. For example, if somebody wants a special kind of
yes, we can do customization. If you want a special requirement, you can tell us. We can do customization as per your requirement.
Okay,
Because we are designed ourselves.
Okay.
We are not buying from outside.
Right.
We are all designed.
Right, sir.
Because we are a electronic company.
हाँ जी.
We have a range of electric cycles.
Okay.
You can see that.
Okay.
So basically, it's an extension
Okay.
way forward for electric bikes to come to this level.
Right. So fantastic. I think this is one of the best products we have seen in Ride Asia this season. A tricycle for the specially able men and women. I think this is the need of the hour.
And I can say that you cannot, nobody can have this kind of product anywhere in this exhibition.
Absolutely, sir. And congratulations.
Thank you.
You're doing great stuff
Thank you.
with coming up with this kind of a customization bike.
And one more thing you can note down, we have a draw in our company.
Okay.
If we get 100 requests from disabled people, we give one free.
Wow, that's so nice, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So this model of ours is a smart e-bike which can be used for day-to-day life, where you can rent the cycles or give it for the commercial purpose. And it has a very unique feature, that is this smart lock, which can be controlled through the application. And just see, if I'll just press it here, and it is unlocked over there. Thus unlock ho gaya hai.
This is overhead conveyor, basically material handling systems, right? Any material
So I am at the booth of Whoosh Bike. Whoosh का full form है Help Us Save Earth, and we have Siddhi with us.
Hello.
And we have a very interesting looking bicycle here, camouflage print. Can you tell us, Rhoda?
Sure. So as you have already mentioned, this is a electric bicycle which comes with a portable lithium-ion battery, and it offers a range of 35 km with a speed of 25 km. So here itself it is clear that you don't require any kind of RTO registration for this product. Also you get suspensions as well as drum brake and disc brake in this.
And what is the range in a single charge?
The range in single charge is 35 km.
And price points की बात करें तो क्या price होगा इस bike का?
For this bicycle, it is 73,000.
Okay.
And this price is including GST, so you don't need to pay any
And from
tax.
where the consumer can buy it?
You can place an order from our website, or you can also connect us over a call.
Okay.
The number is 8956025825.
And your website?
www.use.co.in.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
इस वक्त मैं हूँ नीलम साइकिल के स्टॉल पे, और आप देख सकते हैं बहुत ही प्यारी खूबसूरत एक क्रोम फिनिश रोडस्टर बाइसिकल। इस बाइसिकल से हमारी काफ़ी यादें जुड़ी हुई है। काफ़ी फिल्मों में भी इस बाइसिकल को इस्तेमाल हुआ है। रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में दूध वाला, पेपर वाला, पाव वाला और सब्जी वाला, ऐसे अन्य लोग हैं जो इस बाइसिकल का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। दिस इज़ लाइक अ रोमांस विद बाइसिकल। बहुत सारी कहानियाँ लोगों की है जुड़ी हुई इस बाइसिकल से। अ वेरी कॉमनली साइटेड बाइसिकल, अ रोडस्टर, टिपिकल रोडस्टर क्लासिक बाय नीलम बाइसिकल। एंड मैं क्या कहूँ इस बाइक के बारे में। So now we're at the booth of Avitri Bikes, and we have the National Business Head, Mr. Shrikant. Shrikant ji, can you give us a brief download about Avitri Bikes? Because this is a very emerging brand, and what kind of segment that the brand is catering to?
So basically, Avitri Bikes India, this is a brand from Maharashtra, Ahmednagar, and this all started off with the initiative from Mr. Abhinandan ji, who is the MD and the owner of the brand, and that's how the idea started off, and the brand started coming into the play. And we at Avitri Bikes produce bicycle for customers from all the kind of choices of the bikes they are looking for in the market. So we have basically 4 categories for the bikes. What we define is that, like, at the top-notch level, we have alloy bikes, which is like Hydroform 6061 alloy bikes with MTB and urban riding bikes. And then we have steel premium bikes out here. You can see the steel bikes with all these inputs and the graphics and the components. We are trying to give you the best component available in this particular segment. And then we have our Nitro edition, which you can see the beautiful bike here.
Okay.
This is a city bike, and we are launching this bike at Ride Asia. Please do come and visit our stall and have a look at the bikes. And then we also have another series called Dynamite Edition, which is really budget-friendly bicycles available in the market.
Fantastic. And how can people buy your Avitri bikes through online stores or through your local dealers?
Basically, what we have done is that we are not promoting online sales, but we are having a website wherein you can really book the bikes, and that can be delivered at the dealer's outlet, to the nearest dealer's outlet for the customer.
Okay.
That's how the point is. And you can check out our dealer list, which is on the website.
Okay. And what is the website called as?
avitribikes.com.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much for talking to us, and wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Yeah. क्या हम एक नॉर्मल बाइसिकल को इलेक्ट्रिक बाइसिकल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं? इसका जवाब है हाँ, और इसके बारे में हमें बताएंगे मिस्टर गौरव।
हेलो, मैं गौरव हूँ। आई एम द को-फाउंडर ऑफ पेडलेक्स। तो हम एक आफ्टर मार्केट कन्वर्जन किट बनाते हैं जो आपके हैंडल बार पे लगता है, और हैंडल बार पे लगाने की ये खासियत है कि हैंडल बार सारे सबके सेम होते हैं। फ्रेम सबकी अलग हो सकती है, पर हैंडल बार सबके सेम ही होते हैं। तो इसलिए हमने ये इन्वेंट किया है पेडलेक्स पावर अप। ये आपकी हैंडल बार पर ऐसे लग जाता है। इसके साथ हम देते हैं आपको एक थ्रॉटल, जिसके आप अपनी साइकिल विदाउट पेडल किए चला सकते हैं। साथ ही में हम आपको देते हैं एक पेडल असिस्ट सेंसर, जो आपकी पेडलिंग स्पीड को और इम्प्रूव करती है और बढ़ाती है। इससे आपका एफर्ट भी कम हो जाता है। और ये एक डिटैचेबल किट है, आपको बस इसे अनलॉक करना है और अब आप इसे घर ले जा सकते हैं। साथ ही में हमने इसमें एक हेडलाइट दे रखी है, जिसको आप टॉर्च की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं। आपको बस इसको वापस अपनी जगह पे लगा देना है, हल्का सा धक्का दीजिए एंड लॉक कर दीजिए। अब आपकी साइकिल इलेक्ट्रिक वापस बन जाएगी।
सुपर प्रोडक्ट। गौरव, मुझे ये बताइए, अगर मुझे खरीदना है तो मैं कैसे खरीद सकता हूँ?
तो ये हमारा कन्वर्जन किट हमारी वेबसाइट पे अवेलेबल है, pedelex.in। इसमें हम आपको इस पैक के लिए 2 years वारंटी दे रहे हैं, मोटर के लिए 1 year वारंटी दे रहे हैं, एंड बाकी सेंसर्स के लिए हम 6 months वारंटी दे रहे हैं।
फैंटास्टिक
जी।
तो अब नॉर्मल बाइक को इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक में कन्वर्ट करना हुआ है आसान, और आपको जानकारी दी है गौरव जी ने। तो जल्दी से आप वेबसाइट पे विजिट कीजिए और स्पेसिफिकेशंस के बारे में जानिए और अपना कन्वर्जन किट ऑर्डर कीजिए राइट नाउ। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
Next up is sturdy bikes, very unique looking product, different kind of mechanism, and we have a specialist here. आप इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बता सकते हैं?
ये प्रोडक्ट है इंडिया का फर्स्ट ऑल इन वन इलेक्ट्रिक व्हील, जो फुली वायरलेस है, तो कोई भी वायर नहीं है। ये ऑपरेट होता है, हम फर्स्ट टाइम जब पैडल करते हैं उसके हिसाब से स्पीड सेंस करता है और कंटिन्यूअस मूव करता है, और अलग से हम डिस्प्ले टोटल भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं। हाँ, और
थ्रॉटल भी है?
हाँ, थ्रोटल भी है, आप थ्रोटल से भी यूज कर सकते हो। और ये भी ब्लूटूथ कनेक्टेड है, इसके ऐप भी है अलग से जो हम ब्लूटूथ कनेक्ट करके उससे सब ऑपरेट करते हैं।
ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ता
हाँ,
है?
ऐप आपको ऐप स्टोर से मिल जाएगा, प्ले स्टोर से मिल जाएगा।
क्या नाम है ऐप?
स्टडी मोस्टर करके। हाँ,
और ये
कोई भी बाइक पे इंस्टॉल हो सकती है और अभी साइज है हमारे पास 26, 27.5, 29। हाँ, कोई भी माउंटेन नहीं, हाइब्रिड पे हो जाता है, रोड बाइक्स पे भी हो जाएगा, फैट बाइक पे नहीं होगा।
और इसका क्या
फुली साइकिल का 30,000,
फुल साइकिल के साथ?
फुल साइकिल
और
खाली किट 25,000।
तो हमने देखा एक बहुत ही यूनिक ऑपरेशन मैकेनिज्म है। अभी इसका टेस्ट राइड लेते हैं और देखते हैं कैसा बिहेव। फ्रांस के बहुत ही पॉपुलर ब्रांड डीकैथलॉन, जो इंडिया में बहुत ही पैन इंडिया उनका अच्छा खासा प्रेजेंस है, फैन फॉलोइंग है, लॉयल्टी है, डीकैथलॉन के प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत बिकते हैं। उन्होंने भी आज राइड एशिया एक्सपो में एक स्टॉल एग्जिबिट किया है। उनके काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हम देख सकते हैं, बीटविन है, रिवर साइड है, रॉक राइडर है, उनकी एक ट्राइबैन की रोड बाइक है, साथ में उन्होंने एक अपने इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक लॉन्च की है रॉक राइडर की, जो है इस तरफ। आइए देखते हैं उस बाइक को। So we are now right at the Decathlon exhibition booth, and we have Mr. Prajwal with us, and there's a very nice electric bike that we want you to explain about.
Okay, lovely. So what we have here is the EST100 by Rock Rider, which is a brand that Decathlon has in India. This bike was introduced about 6 months ago, and the idea is behind Rock Rider that we can go higher and therefore come down and have more fun on the way down. Right. So this comes with a 380 watt motor. Obviously, the speeds are capped at 25 kilometers an hour, and it's an extremely capable mountain bike at the end of the day. Right. So it targets the customer that really wants to have fun in the outdoors, but is equally at home on city roads.
And in a single charge, what is the range?
So the bike comes with 3 levels of support, right? So depending on how much physical effort you want to put in. So at the lowest, which is 1, the range is 100 kilometers. And now as you use more of the battery, of course, then the range comes down.
And it has a throttle also?
No, this bike does not come with a throttle.
Okay.
It's purely activated by the movement of the crank.
Okay. And what will be the battery life of this bike?
Charges, yeah.
Fantastic. And what is it priced at?
The bike sells for 85,000 rupees, which is on par with what we sell it at in Europe.
Okay. Fantastic. And I think the customers can buy it from online or offline stores both.
Yes, we have them in our major stores in most of the major cities in India.
Nice talking to you. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, this is Aniket Bhardwaj from Zat Bikes. I'm the co-founder of Zat Bikes and we are a Chandigarh based company. We are making cargo electric bikes for you. So coming up to the first model, this is a 35,000 cargo electric bicycle which comes with an integrated motor controller, a 7.8Ah battery, LCD and front light and rear light with a brake indications. As you can see here, this is a long tail cargo carrier for you where you can attach different accessories like platform, basket and a trailer as well. You can also have a child seat attached where moms can take their children to the park and they can enjoy a cold storage food kept at the front. So this is a 35,000 bike. This is a 50,000 bikes which comes with a basic upgrade. It is a feature-full bike with a bigger LCD, mobile charging port, 7-speed Shimano gear set and a 10.4Ah battery pack. The bikes are equipped with a dual battery support as well. You can go up to 200 kilometers with a 15Ah battery and it gives you a longer range. It is a very compatible bike for delivery guys. You can do your daily home chores and it is a very good bike for moms to take their children through the parks. So these bikes will be available for you on Amazon from next month and you can buy the bikes from our which is www.zatbikes.com.
I am Karan, I'm representing Amar. We produce cranksets pretty much for the whole world. Europe happens to be our primary market. We have all the tech in-house from forging to sheet metal, from forging, heat treatment, sheet metal operations, injection molding, everything is in-house. We don't outsource any operation or any component at all. Everything is in-house. All our R&D is also designed and planned in-house from concept to production. We have a complete team that handles all of it, and we work with a lot of Indian brands as well. For example, Decathlon India, we are a single source, and a lot of other brands we work with. Pretty much all the premium bikes that are made in the country are using our products. So there is a brand called Force One, which Force One is one of the most popular products on the Indian market. This is, for example, one of the oldest one, which is running for almost 15 years. And this is the newer version we've launched. The idea of this product is at a 1 meter distance, a plastic injection molded crank should look like an aluminum crank. So just to add value to each level of product, make every product more premium to look at, and of course the performance comes with an Amar guarantee, which is used worldwide and acknowledged from a lot of steel and aluminum as well. And we cater to all the kind of bikes, whether it's road bikes, MTBs, downhill bikes, uphill bikes. So we have products which are like narrow wide chain rings as well, which can work for all kind of bikes and compatible with all the drivetrains around the world.
And how do we reach you?
My details are karan@amarindia.com and our website is amarindia.com.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Saurabh and our brand name is Master. We are the largest bicycle chain manufacturers in India every day. We are not only the largest, but we are also the first ones in India to bring up brushless chain drives in India. And this is a short representation of what we are doing. If you can hear it or see it in the video, the chain is completely noiseless and derail free. We are the only ones who have brought this technology, and we want to promote this technology, and we want a common man to get hold of this technology and have a better, smoother drive, enjoy bicycling, and have a better ride.